Today I found a listing of an old gaming PC, and when I clicked on it I saw a pretty messy build with cables all over the place. So I offered $150 and he let me pick it up. I just got home and I have to plug this PC in to see that everything is working. And if it is, I'm gonna revamp this trash into a dream gaming PC to a gamer who needs it. After getting it home, the first step is making sure it works, and the seller told me it was probably 8 to 10 years old, which kinda scares me. And I already thought that the PC was dead because it didn't turn on, but I then figured out it only worked with my second monitor with an HDMI cable. I don't know why, and it's boring, but I got all the specs up on the screen and it's actually pretty good. I mean, I knew the specs from the listing, but I've never seen this CPU before, and it has a 1060, which is still okay today. And after making sure that the PC works, I have 4 steps to make this transformation come true. But first I want to show what I actually bought. So this is the starting point. This is what I bought for $150, and what I intend to make a dream gaming PC. Or maybe not a dream gaming PC with a 1060, but I mean better than this, I think. So to start this gaming PC transformation process, step number 1 is to take out all the components in this case. And as I was taking everything apart, I was more and more impressed with the actual specs, like the Corsair RAM and the Noctua air cooler. I don't know how you pronounce it, but I mean, I know it's a good cooler. SSD out. Nice. There we go. Nice. Okay, so I took everything out of the case except the motherboard, and it's been a long time since I've seen a motherboard with 8 RAM slots. That's crazy. Okay, nice. Like there's no tomorrow. Like there's no tomorrow. Like there's no tomorrow. And after taking all the components out, it leaves us with this case. And although this is a fine case, it's actually an only and Lee case, the power button doesn't always work, and it smells, because the previous owner used to smoke in his apartment. So I think it's time for a new case. Okay, so the plan is to build a white PC, as I just bought a white case to match the white graphics card, and white gaming PCs always look so much better in my opinion, so I'm trying to match that clean look. But before we reassemble the components into the new case, I need to clean the parts first, because I have no idea if the previous owner ever did that. I actually think he did, because I've seen much worse than this, but if it's 8 or 10 years old, it probably still needs a good cleaning. I also just realized that the power supply is 800 watts Gold Plus, which is pretty good. Now, if you're a PC builder, you already know what I'm doing. But basically what I'm doing here is I'm changing the thermal paste under the cooler here to keep my CPU cold. This is a big ass CPU. Holy shit. Holy fuck. Look how massive it is. And if this was applied 10 years ago, I think it's time for some new thermal paste. Okay, I was really considering adding a new white CPU cooler like this, which would make the whole PC look so much better, in my opinion. But I also wanted the PC to have the old look, and also to reuse most of the parts from this build. And also I didn't know that there was like a pretty good CPU cooler in here already. Yeah, so I just decided that I'm going to keep this. Maybe I will change it later, but... And to clean the other parts, I pretty much just use baby wipes to clean. Now that everything is clean and ready, we can finally start to build the new PC. Okay, so it's been a week and the case finally arrived, and this case has 6 RGB fans pre-installed, which is great. So I put the motherboard in and I screwed it in place and made sure that that the motherboard wasn't going anywhere. And then we could plug the first SSD in, and this HDD, there wasn't place in like the holder, what do you call it, so I had to put it on top. And with the power supply in, I added some white new sleeved cables, which make the build look so much better, in my opinion. Okay, so the PC is actually done, and for the final step, I usually like to add some decorations. This would usually be some RGB fans or something else, but this case already had 6 RGB fans, and I always add some sleeved cables, as I also did in this build. So with these final touches, this gaming PC has been completely transformed. From that pretty trash gaming PC to a fairly good looking system that I think a new gamer would enjoy a lot. I don't know how old this PC exactly is or how often it has been cleaned, but I think it looks good. But as you all know, looks don't really matter, it's what inside that counts, so let's see if this PC can run some of my favorite games. Fortnite Battle Royale. So I put everything on low settings because I really don't have high hopes for this build. And it got around 200 FPS in-game with low settings, more or less. I also opened up GTA 5. It actually got around like 70 FPS, pretty consistent, so that's pretty surprising. I also opened up CS2 and it only got around like 100 FPS. I have no idea if that's good or if that's bad, but I just thought that it would be more, you know? But it was actually pretty fun to transform this gaming PC from what it was to what it is now, and I actually think it turned out pretty good. So hopefully someone will get very happy for this build. Thank you for watching.